Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Vega from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with her eyes, and she's got slightly bigger eyes than the other characters. So we're going to start out with the upper eyelid. Just draw one curve. And then on the other side, same thing, just going to go up. And then from those curves on the back here, I'm just going to curve it back down and just come across back to the middle. Or if you're starting here, you can come across first, and then whatever space you have here, just curve it and round it out. Okay, so it's kind of like a leaf shape. And then from there, we're going to draw in her eyeballs. So right underneath here, just kind of touching the top. It's going to be almost a full circle. And then on the inside, I'm going to draw two more circles. And I'm going to shade around it. That will be my highlight. Alright, and then from there, we're going to draw in their eyebrow. So right up here, right in the corner, just go up. Slant right over the eyes. Just kind of round it out. And the same thing on the other side, from the corner, just go up. And then let's give it some thickness here from the middle, just go up and just come across, just follow the same line, and then right on the corner, just taper it and close it off. So nice and sharp on the ends. Just come across. Alright, and then I'm gonna make the upper lid a little bit thicker, the upper eyelid. Alright, so now let's move on to the rest of her face. So for her nose, just come down from the corner of the eye, make two little marks, and then just connect them with a slight angle, little dip. And then let's keep going down. For her mouth, I'm just going to give her a slight smile, and then the lower lip, one line, upper lip, same line, but a little bit closer to the opening, the mouth opening. And then from those three lines, just connect the corners. And that'll give you the lip shape. Alright, so now let's fill in the face. So for the face, just come to the side of the eye. Just gonna draw like a little bracket all the way down to her, around the lip area. And then once you're here, we're gonna turn it in. This is gonna be her jaw and the chin. Make it a little bit sharp. Alright, and then now let's continue to the top. For the top, you can come up to the middle, you can make a little mark first. And then right here, we're just gonna go out, going up slightly. And then we're gonna round it off and just close it off. That'll give us her hairline. Alright, so let's continue on to the hair. So on the side here, just draw one line. She's got some strands coming over the ear. So I'm just gonna draw two little curves coming out. And then from the corner, just go back up behind the face. And then let's just go ahead and draw in her ear. So right across, same point here, I'm just gonna draw a little curve. Again, this is behind the strand. Alright, so now let's finish up her hair. And she's got really tall hair, so I'm gonna start right here. Just go up. Okay, so right around here, I'm gonna come down. She's got a big clump of hair on the top. And then from here, I'm gonna go up slightly. Just curve it all the way around. I know it looks a little bit strange. And then from there, we're gonna add in some lines so that we can make it look like more like hair. So start in the middle, just curve, go up, And then on this side, I'm gonna draw maybe just a couple of lines just to show the direction of the flow. And then right here, I'm just gonna add one more. Alright, so that looks a little bit better. Alright, so now let's move on to her body, and she's got some pretty strange clothing here. For her neck, just come down first, and then just angle it, close it off. And then the collar here is asymmetrical, so we're gonna go up on this side, just continue up all the way up here. And this one's gonna be a little bit flatter and shorter. Okay, and then right underneath it, we're gonna draw in the collar. It's gonna be the kind of shoulder. So come across, and then whatever space you have here, just close it off. And then to draw the back side of this collar, I'm just gonna come in to the neck. Okay, so now let's draw in the little, I guess, cloth over her body right here. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm just gonna come out slightly. And then on this side, we're gonna go out a lot more, because it's gonna be going over her shoulders. And then from this side here, this is gonna come down all the way to her waist. So come down, and then on this corner, just come in. And then whatever space you have here, just kind of connect them. Alright, so now let's draw in the torso area. So here's the shoulder right here. Okay, so we're gonna come down. And we won't see this side, so we won't draw that. And then we're gonna pinch it in. Come across. And if there's a little bit of space here, just kind of go up. Okay, so this is gonna be a waist. And let's add in one section here. And then let's just go ahead and continue on to your hip. We're gonna flare out. And then we'll close it. This is gonna be the bottom of her belt. And then for the top side of the belt. And let's draw in the belt buckle so we know where we are. So it's just gonna be two lines right here. And then right in the center here, I'm just gonna draw a little rectangle. So it's gonna be her belt buckle. Okay, and then let's finish up the top here. Just add a little detail from the armpit. The chest area is just gonna come in. And then right on the center here, I'm just gonna draw one line. Alright, so now we can draw in her arms, and let's go ahead and finish up this one first. I'm gonna have this one on her side. So here's the armpit. We're gonna come out this way. And then this side is gonna go out a little bit more. And then before we draw in the lower arm, we're gonna go ahead and draw in her fist right here. So just draw two curves like this and close it off. That's gonna be your fist. And then for a thumb, we'll just add a little angle right there. Okay, and then now we can connect the arm. So right here, let's connect to the top. And here's the elbow. Just connect that. And then for the cuff, we'll just add in one little line. Alright, so that's one arm, and let's move on to the other one. So her armpit's gonna be right around here, but we won't see that because it's inside. So we'll start here on the shoulder, curve, and then we're gonna come down straight. Here's the elbow. So here's the armpit. Just kind of continue that. And then for the lower arm, flare out, curve, straight, and then let's close it off, and let's add in another line for the cuff. And then for a hand, we'll keep it simple. Just come down straight first. This is gonna be a thumb. We're gonna curve it up. Draw one line, slanting down. And then here's the back of her hand. And then from this open area right here, I'm gonna draw in her fingers. I'm just gonna curl it slightly. Here's the back side. Just gonna keep going and round it off at the tip. And then we're gonna add one little detail here for the other fingers in the back. And I think she's got a little bit of a padding here. So I'm just gonna, from the side here, I'm just gonna go up and it's come back into the shoulders. Alright, so now let's move on to her legs, and her legs pretty simple. It's not much detail. In the middle here, come down, draw a little mark. Come back out to the side here, so we're gonna continue with the hip and the thigh area. Let's come down, all the way down to your knee. Start here. Okay, just kind of pinch it in. This is gonna be your knee. And let's draw on the other side, so same thing here. Curve down and use the other side for reference. Back here. Okay, and then for the lower leg, here's your knee, so we're gonna start a little bit higher up here. Flare out 2 lines. Slight curve, and this one is pretty much straight down. And she's got those high top boots, so we're gonna close it off a little bit early. Okay, and then for her boot, extend the line, come down, close it off with a line or a slight curve, and then for her boot, just kind of curve down and come out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and let's just add 1 section for the sole. Alright, so same thing here. Flare out 2 lines. Slight curve and straight down. Close it off. We're gonna extend it for a boot. Come down, again, slight curve. And then for a boot on the bottom, curve. Let's go out a little bit more on this side. Close it off, and then same detail here. And let's just add in 1 line right here. She's got some detail on the boot. Alright, and let's go back up here. She's got a little bit more detail on this belt and strap around her thigh. So right here, right in the middle, we're just gonna come down. Go out. So this is some kind of padding. It looks like a holster. Alright, and then in here, she's got some straps. So right on the corner here, draw 2 lines, so that's 1 strap. And then 1 more here. And lastly, she's got some rope. So I'm just gonna add some curves, and let's just give it some thickness here. So 1, and then let's add in 1 more. It's kind of small. And then some details on her pants right here. From the hip area, just come in, draw a little angle like this. And then from this line here, come down here, just draw the same directional line. And this one's gonna go out this way. So this is just part of her design, and then we'll just extend these lines. And let's draw 1 more. And if you want to add in, okay, let's just add in a little bit more detail. From the middle here, go straight up and then slant out. And then 1 more line, same direction as this. And that is it for this Vega. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.